I'm out here in my backyard. You hear squealing in this little tree right here. There's a raccoon family living in that tree. Its little face was peeking out just a minute ago. Just trying to get it to come out a little bit there. It peeked out, you know, it's protecting its family. I'm not going to hurt it. See his little ear moving in there somewhere. I make a scruffy sound. It can. On out, won't do it. Make a liar out of me, raccoon. You can hear him squealing around in there anyway. I don't want to get too close because I don't want him to attack me. You can hear him now squealing a little bit. There's birds chirping too, but yeah, this tree here, right behind the car, has raccoons in it. Anyway, so I'd share that a little bit. Little moment of nature. Talk to you later.